Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be installing a cold air intake from Burger Motorsports on my 2022 Subaru WRX. So here it is, and let's see what we got in this box. We got one little box inside here. Looks like we got part of the little box that surrounds the intake. It has Burger Motorsports engraved into it. Then we also got the bigger tubing for the intake. Now we got some of the little clamps that we're going to need. And then here we have the filter. Giant blue filter is what we wanted. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. Walking over to the WRX with the hood open. So here is what the original intake looks like right here in the corner, and we're going to go over how to install it. All you're going to want to do to start it off is get some clips out right here. There's two of them. You just unscrew it just halfway, and it will let you pop it out. So here we got those. Once you get that off, you can see the whole intake and where it leads to the bottom. You're gonna need a 10mm. So I got out the first screw, as you guys can see here. And then right down here you can see where I got it out and where the other screw is right on top of it. You're going to need to get this little nut out that holds it all together right here. Very easy to do, but it's right there, so you guys are going to be able to pop it out. And after that, you can pull it off and it comes straight out. And you're just gonna have to remove the old tubing, which leads to the bottom. So just get underneath your car and swap it out with the Burger Motorsports one right underneath. It's pretty hard to see, but you guys use the little silicone connector. Put the tube in and put the intake in, and then it's got the little box part right here. And after that, everything is done. So here's what it looks like when it's done, and let's hear how it sounds. So anyway, that sounds pretty good if you guys like the cold air intake sound. This BMS intake for the WRX is running at $399 right now instead of $429. So you save $30. You can choose between a red and blue filter. And there is a huge sound improvement as well as up to 30 horsepower more. So yeah, it's a pretty fast install and easy removal. It makes the throttle response a lot better, and the intake tubing is a lot bigger, so you get that nice cold air intake sound, as well as it looking pretty cool underneath the hood. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for Burger Motorsports for sending this out for the install. I'll have a link in the description down below for you guys to check out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.